neck and shoulders, and do this bit of the shoulder. First thing is hold the spanner in whichever side you're tight. So we'll do this side, which means we hold the spanner in this hand. Hold it by the handle, big tread up. This is the business bit. This is going on the business. The business is our shoulder right here, trapezius. That's what we're going to end up like. Next we take the strap, hook it on to the top nexus, and then just flip it over the back like that. Don't worry about the strap right now. You've got the business bit on the business. That's what's important. So the strap actually goes behind this shoulder, and then we're going to throw our foot through the loop here, and that's just an anchor. We've got that anchored down, and then we're just rolling like that. To get it tighter, move this foot out this way. If we want to go lower down into the rhomboids, straighten that out. Now we're down into the rhomboids, which is between the shoulder blades. Pay attention to what you're doing. Build up a muscle map in your mind of where you're tight, where needs attention. Of course, as we always do. And to come further over, just bring the foot in like this. Now we're coming further over the top, like that. If you want a little bit more pressure, come out to the end, and then you're more leveraged. Once you find a tight spot, same as we always do, 3 times 30 seconds, a 10-second break between those efforts. Okay, we're going to reverse that. Bit of a recap. So I'm doing this side, which means I hold the spanner in this hand. Big tread up. This is the business bit. Business bit's going on the business. This is the business. It's wherever you're tight. That's what it's going to feel like. Next we hook it up. Throw the spanner straight over there. Business bit goes on the business. This is behind our shoulder. And putting our foot probably in about the second last loop, or third last loop, if you're little. And there we go. We're doing it. Now you can, if it's better, do it with the other hand. That's fine. Now remember, we tighten it up by moving that foot out. And we get more pressure by moving our hand out towards the end of the spanner. And come back down between your shoulder blades by throwing that foot out, which then brings the tension like that. Just going to give you another view. That one. Come right round and see what I'm doing. And we can shorten it, come more over the top. Do it with either hand. No, I don't want to stop. But there it is. Shoulders or trapezius, rhomboids as well, with the strap and the spanner.